Alright, that's my first try at capturing train graffiti. Oh, let's try that one. Is that how you do it? I don't know. I've never tried it before. It'd be fun. Oh, this one. I don't think that's how you do it. And for my friend Nasty, share a little bit of high-speed train graffiti capture, Earl style. And then nothing, and then nothing. Must be hard to put graffiti on those bad boys. I messed that one up. There's the wheels. Whoop. Well, that wasn't very good, but that was my first try. I'll get better, I promise.